Hi, good afternoon. My name is Rogelio Velasquez, and this is my new video tutorial about BlueStack software for Mac OS. I have Yosemite OS. So, BlueStack is an Android emulator that we can install a lot of apps like a mobile phone with Android. Now, just we need no. So, as we can see here at the official BlueStack webpage, the BlueStack is not available for Mac OS version. We only have available the version for Windows. So now just we need to go to the link that I am going to leave it in the bottom of the video. So the link is this. After we have clicked on the link, we need to wait 5 seconds for go to the principal download page. We need to wait 5 seconds. And I make a click and download. Now we need to wait a download finish. I am going to stop the video because this take a long time. Just going to put pause. With the download it's complete, we just need to go to our application folder. We need to open the Finder and go to the application folder. Now we need to open the download folder and search the BlueStack file. Here we have the BlueStack file and just drag it to our application folder. I have ready ready the file, the BlueStack. You just need to open. We close the window. We go to the launch pad, and we open the BlueStack file or application, and it's already. We have the BlueStack application for Mac OS. That's all. Please share my video to your friends. It's all for today. Subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, how we can see it's ready. We can open Twitter.